Welcome to the session on consumer behavior. In this session, you will be able to understand the factors influencing consumer demand for commodities and the law of demand. Why do we demand a certain good or service? What are the various factors influencing this demand? How do we understand this relationship between quantity demanded and price of a commodity, and that between quantity demanded and the other determining factors of demand? Let us begin by defining and comprehending the law of demand. The law of demand states that quantity demanded varies inversely with price, other things remaining constant. In other words, the higher the price, the lesser is the quantity demanded, and the lower the price, the greater is the quantity demanded. Hence, the demand curve slopes downward, reflecting the negative correlation between quantity demanded and the price of the good itself, other things remaining constant. Let us take the example of tomatoes to understand this. Consumers would buy a lesser quantity of tomatoes at a higher price and be more casual in their purchase at a lower price, other things remaining the same. What are these other things that must remain constant? Let us write the demand function to understand this. Demand function is nothing but a functional relationship between quantity demanded of a commodity with a host of factors, including the price of the commodity itself. These factors can be listed out as the income of the consumer, the price of related goods like substitutes and complements, consumers' tastes and preferences, consumers' future price expectation, and certain other factors like population, age and sex composition of the population, government policies of subsidies and taxes, business cycles, weather, and the like. Hence, a demand function can be written down as follows. The law of demand singles out this relationship between quantity demanded and the price as an inversely correlated one. Any change in quantity demanded of a commodity in response only to a change in its own price causes a movement along the curve and is called extension and contraction of demand. If the price of the pizza declines while other prices remain constant, pizza becomes relatively cheaper. Some consumers are more willing to purchase a pizza when its relative price falls. They substitute pizza for other goods like burgers, pasta, and hot dogs. This principle is called the substitution effect of a price change. On the other hand, an increase in the price of pizza, other things remaining constant, causes the consumers to substitute other goods for the now higher priced pizza, thus reducing their quantity of pizza demanded. For all such commodities which have substitutes available in the market, this substitution effect is positive. Now, let's understand the income effect of a price change. A price reduction, other things constant, increases the purchasing power of your income, also referred to as your real income, thereby increasing your ability to buy pizza. The quantity of pizza you demand will likely increase because of this income effect of a price change. Because of the income effect of a price decrease, other things constant, consumers typically increase their quantity demanded. Conversely, an increase in the price of a good reduces real income, thereby reducing the ability to purchase all goods. Because of the income effect of a price increase, consumers typically reduce their quantity demanded as price increases. The income and substitution effect together are called the price effect, which explains the downward sloping demand curve. In the next video, I will talk about the increase and decrease in demand.